This video will demonstrate the problem I'm having with my DX6i transmitter. For simplicity's sake, I'm using the Model 4 location, which is an unused model for the airplane or acrobatic mode. Just simple 4-channel mode, and it clearly demonstrates the problem with the rudder and the aileron control. I'll now turn the radio on. As you can see, Model 4. All the trims are centered. We'll go down and we'll check the sub trims, and you see all the sub trims are 0. Go back and look at all the travel adjust, and all the travel adjust are 0. Throttle down, throttle up 0. Aileron left, or 100%, excuse me. Aileron right 100%. Same on the throttle was 100%. Elevator up 100%. Elevator down 100%. Rudder right 100%. Rudder left 100%. Now if I go to the monitor screen, everything is centered and working. Now you can see the rudder bouncing around and acting up. I'm moving the throttle. It's about mid position, 0 position. You saw how it bounced around as I moved the throttle up and down. There I moved the throttle just through mid position, and it bounced, the rudder position bounced. Again, now it is the rudder stick is centered. I'm trying not to put any deflection in the rudder stick at all. And you can see as I pass through essentially about the mid stick on throttle, the rudder bounces. However, the rudder is in its center position, neutral position, and it's to the right of the center. If I move the rudder full left, I get full deflection shown on the monitor. If I move the rudder full right, you can see I don't get full deflection. It's just barely past the center position. Now return to neutral, and it goes to right of center position. If I put full trim, this is full trim left. Okay, rudder left, rudder right. It should return the trim back to 0. Rudder trim 0. Full left, full right. Rudder trim 100% to the right. And see that just brings it back to the neutral position there. Full right rudder, full left rudder. Again, I'll bring the rudder trim back to neutral or back to 0. That's the location there. The elevator control appears to work reasonably normally. Full down, I don't get full deflection to the left. Almost there, but not quite. If I move the aileron full right, full travel there, full left, full travel there. I have seen the aileron where I did not have full travel when I move the stick to the right, which moves the monitor indicator here on aileron to the left. Okay. But again, this clearly demonstrates the issue that I've got. This is the second DX6i transmitter I have received. The first one I returned for warranty and repair, and you guys replaced it. This one I received. This is really the first time I've had a chance to set it up and use it with my Blade 400, which I did in the past couple of days. And I immediately noticed I was having issues with rudder control on the helicopter, and this clearly demonstrates the problem. Again, the rudder is in the neutral position right now, and the indicator is very, very much to the right. Left rudder, right rudder. And to reinforce the trims are all in the neutral position. So clearly this is an unusable radio in the condition that I've received it in. Okay, here you can see the elevator channel is behaving incorrectly also. This is full up elevator, got full travel to the right on the indicator. Mid stick, it's not coming to zero, there it just bounced. And then this is, there you saw it bounce, this is full left, or full up elevator, and tends to bounce around. Pull down, stick all the way to the top, neutral, pull up, stick all the way back, and I've got the stick pulled back and you see it bouncing around. The stick is pulled back all the way and it's bouncing. Alright, I'll power the transmitter up. Go to the monitor screen. And it's working. Now it's not working. As you can see, the aileron is about 25% on the left hand side, kind of bouncing around. I take the stick full left, I don't even get to mid. Take the stick full right, it goes 100% to the left, back to neutral, and the aileron is again about 25%. It's intermittent. It worked when I first powered it up, doesn't now. It's real glitchy. You can see on the elevator, full 100% movement in the elevator, and the travel adjust is 100% on all, and can't even get the aileron to give you the right travel adjust in this mode. You can set the left, but you can't the right. As in the elevator, you know, if you move the stick up and down, you get the arrow change direction, so you can set the travel adjustment. Cannot do that with the aileron. Again, going back to the monitor channel. See, it's kind of bouncing around a little bit. Full left stick, full right stick. Alright, so this verifies the issue that I've got. Seems like after the radio warms up a little bit, maybe it behaves a little better. But this is the issue.